Okay, ladies and gentlemen, another shorts, and again we're going back to Griffain. AI seems to be in the news recently, and I think it's time for us to look at it. We've looked at Griffain before, so let's just do it again and very quickly. And as always, we look at our areas of demand and supply, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 areas of supply. No areas of demand whatsoever. Let's get rid of this. So, what does this tell us? It tells us that it's been taking a great big fall. And I think that's the narrative for the AI stuff. Right across the board, not just the cryptos, but also the stock. Okay, so what are we to expect? Quite simple. We're looking at this area here. Current price is 1 cent 79, and it can easily fall below even 1 cent if we're not careful, but the lowest has been is 1 cent 17. Now it can easily get back to that because, as we can see, it's a series of lower highs and lower lows, and it's continuing to go down. We've got some measure of trading sideways from about the 3rd of November, the beginning of this month, and we seem to be trading sideways now. Now that does not mean that it can't go any lower, but it just means at the moment that AI is not in the cycle. We knew, as always, that there's always going to be a bubble in any new technology, and we are currently going through that at the moment. So what can we expect? If things stabilize, and the best we can expect will be about here, about 2 cents 61 here at this VAL, that's the lower value value area, beg your pardon. And then we've got at our point of control here, we've got it at about 2 cents 83. So I think this easily could be circumvented. The problem we're going to have if we do not have enough volume momentum, of which is practically non-existent as we can see here, is getting through this area and going at about 6 cents 45. As for something higher, about 15 cents, which you see up here, that chance of that happening anytime soon is quite distant. If you're a speculator, this is the time to buy something. You can accumulate at this very low price, hold your ground, and then wait for the cycle to return to make your profits. I think that's going to be the best way. Like I said, there's not enough volume momentum, and patience is required. Anyway, that's me. So keep your eyes and ears open and your trading sharp. Have a good one. Bye.